Indian Union da masak thokpa state ama oiriba Manipur da Prime Minister na Amuktang oirabasu Laktuna Meeyamgi awa-anada Saruk Yabagi Tangai Phadaba Lei haina opposition gi Leader Rahul Gandhi na phongdokkhre. Wafam asing asi pung kharagi khongchata Manipur da lakiba Rahul Gandhi na Juribam Churachandpur amadi Phubalada hangba relief camp singda changjafam lawriba inmat singa unaraba matung Congress babunda pangthokpa paugi mifam amada mangna phongdokhibani. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi makok thongba luchingba kaya yauna pangthokhiba paugi mifam aduda Rahul Gandhi na hai Manipur da irang thokpa haukraba matung asigi khongchara asina ahum subani handaki khongchara asida Manipur gi phibam asi khara phagatlamgadra haina asa tawrubani adubu laibak thibadi hauji faubada irang asigi waroisin purakpa yaba lambi amata leitri ngasigi khongchara si tongan ba relief camp singda changjafam lawriba Meeyamgi apen pendagi wafam taba lakpani loinana makoi sing adugi thajaba mangdana ba amade hingbagi thauna hapani Masida sunatana opposition da leiba Meeyamgi mihut ama oina leingak asina lawfam thokpa thodang ado pangthoknabagi damak pressure pibani Manipur da hauze yamna mathau tariba ase mahusagi phibam da purakpadune Starasi da thokliba irang asi India gi atai mafam amata da thokpa thengnakidri Manipur gumba phajakraba star ama machet tabadawna tawrakpa ase thamoi sokningai ni Rahul Gandhi na makhatana hai mahakna Manipur da lakliba asi imung manunggi myoi amani khalaga tangdu laitaba phibam hanjilakna ba khonabada mateng pangba lakpani Manipur da mahosagi phibam hanjilakna ba party gi maikaidagi tawba yaba thabak sing angamba thakta pangthokani Manipur gi governor ga unaba matamda su starasi da tangdu laitaba phibam puraknabagi damak makhoi gi maikaidagi pangba yaba mateng pangani haibagi thajaba piramki Adubu hauzik oiriba Manipur gi phibam asidi thamoi sokningai ni Starasi gi Meeyam awa chaitheng maraktagi thorakpa haibasi yamnamak mathau tai haiba wafam su governor gi mafam da thamlamki hingsa gi thawongna kaidawnungda santi purakpa ngamloi Meeyam na su santi hanjilaknabagi wakal khalaningi mafam matam ama hekta da Meeyam na aikhoi gi mateng pamlakpa matamda adumak lengdana leigani Manipur Meeyam na mahaku hanjin starasi da lakhanba pamlabasu thabak to onthokani pumnamak singasi oiduna su government of India na Manipur gi damak khut tingthokpiba mathau tai Indian Union ge masak thokpa star moiriba Manipur da Prime Minister na Amuktang oirabasu chatuna Meeyamgi awa-anada Saruk yahaningi masina Meeyamgi thamoida leiramba awabagi masak pumnamak manghanbada chauna mateng pangani loinana Meeyamgi wakhalonda thajabagi mami amasu chauna tarakani haina Rahul Gandhi na makhatana phongdokhi
I was expecting some improvement in the situation, but I was quite disappointed to see that the situation is still nowhere near what it should be. I visited the camps and heard the people there, heard their pain. I came here to listen to them, to build confidence in them, and as somebody who's in the opposition, to try and apply pressure on the government so that it acts. Here, the need of the hour is peace. Violence is hurting everybody. Thousands of families have been harmed, property has been destroyed, family members have been killed, and I have never seen anywhere in India what is going on here. The state is completely split in two, and it is a tragedy for everybody involved. I want to tell all the people of Manipur, I come here as your brother. I come here as somebody who wants to help you, who wants to work with you to bring back peace in Manipur. And I am ready to do whatever I can. Congress party is ready to do whatever it can to bring back peace here. I feel that it is important that the Prime Minister come here, listen to the people of Manipur, try and understand what is going on in Manipur. After all, Manipur is a proud state of the Indian Union, and it's very important that the Prime Minister, especially, even if it wasn't a tragedy, Even if there was no tragedy, the Prime Minister should have come to Manipur. And in this huge tragedy, I request the Prime Minister to take 1 day, 2 days of his time and just come and listen to the people of Manipur. It will comfort the people of Manipur, and we are, as the Congress Party, ready to support anything that would improve the situation here. Thank you very much.